Welcome to our channel. Watch the video till the end and post your views in the comment section. This biryani is prepared in 4 parts: frying of fish, preparation of gravy, cooking of rice, and finally layering of biryani gravy with rice and fish. First of all, clean the fish. I have used salmon fish, which is our most favorite fish available here. But any fleshy fish can be used. Set aside fish marination spices, that is 1/4 of a tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon biryani powder, 1 tablespoon salt. Mix the spices with 1 lemon juice. Apply it to fish and keep aside for at least 1 hour. Later shallow fry these fish till 80% cooked and keep aside. Now for biryani gravy, heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1/4 cup broken cashew nut, fry little bit and then add 2 tablespoons of raisin, fry till light brown. Remove and keep aside. Add 3 slit green chilies along with finely chopped 1-inch ginger and 4 cloves of garlic. Saute them for a while. Then add 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Sprinkle salt for onions to cook faster. Mix well and fry till golden brown. Add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Mix well and cover the pan. Let tomatoes cook till soft. Once tomatoes are cooked well, add 2 tablespoons biryani powder and mix well. Add 1 cup thick coconut milk and mix well. Add 1 cup of finely chopped fresh coriander, mint and curry leaves. Mix well. Cover the pan and cook on low heat for 2 minutes. Add roasted cashew nut and raisins. Remove 70 to 80% gravy separately for biryani layers. For cooking rice, soak 2 cups basmati rice for at least 30 minutes. Boil sufficient water. Add half lemon and few chopped mint leaf for flavoring. Add sufficient salt and little oil. Stir well. Cover the pan and let water come to boil. Once water is boiling, add soaked rice. Stir well to ensure rice come out loose and fluffy. Remove little boiling water to soak saffron for final garnishing. Cook rice till 80% and strain it in colander. Now for final part of fish biryani layer, keep the balanced gravy pan on low heat, and spread 1/3 cooked rice evenly. Now keep spreading layer of biryani gravy and cooked rice evenly till 10% of cooked rice remain balanced. Place fried fish over it. Top up with balanced rice. Finally pour saffron water over the rice. Cover the pan, let it simmer on very low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Open the lid, squeeze half lemon juice. This is optional. Gently loosen the rice from sides without breaking the fish. Delicious fish biryani is ready. Serve it with raita of your choice. Thank you for watching this video.
For more interesting recipes,
Subscribe to our channel.